Dear student, today we will start a new chapter, that is states of matter. Already you know very well about the states of matter. Firstly, we will discuss about the matter. Matter is a substance that has a mass and take up a space. So all the matter is made up of infinitesimally small atoms. Okay, these particles are in constant motion and therefore they have kinetic energy. So the matter is classified into two type: physical classification, chemical classifications. Physical means, you have to see in the slide, solid, liquid and gas, that come under the physical classification, that is a classification of matter in three state. One is solid, another one is liquid and third one is a gas. Okay, now chemical classification of matter, that includes pure substance which contain element and compounds, and mixture. The mixture is either homogeneous and heterogeneous. So the state of matter is the one of the form that matter takes, such a solid, liquid and gas, that is a state of matter. Now in the state of matter, it can undergo physical changes and chemical changes based on the processes. But matter that exists in a three state: solid, liquid and gas, and all matter has its mass, its volumes. Okay, and the matter that can be identified by chemical properties and physical properties. In chemical properties, we have to study about flammability, reactivity, toxicity and oxidation, that are the property based on the chemical. Now in physical properties, density and melting point of the solids, solubility, volume of the liquids and freezing point. All these are the physical property of the matter. So all are the physical, chemical properties of the matter, including states of matter, and it undergo the physical or chemical changes. So that's why states of matter are studied by the different processes. Now next is the first phase is solid, and solid, first matter is a solids. The phase of the solid, and we can say the solids or the rigid or defined shape. For example, solid are the state where potential energy are much higher than the kinetic energy, and the motion of the molecules that are described as the particle vibrate in place and they are tightly packed. Okay, the particle in a solid are moving. You have to see here, they are little bit moving in, you have to see here the motion. Okay, moving, but cannot pass through each other because the attraction of neighboring atom or molecule are too stronger in case of solids. So the all solid have definite shape and volume and they cannot be compressed, and the motion of the particle are slightly vibrate and they are tightly packed, and the speeds of the particle are slow in case of the solid states. Now we can look add three properties to figure out which state of matter an object is. First is shape of the particles, okay, in case of the solids. And after that, now next is the mass. The shape, it have a definite shape. In state of matter, we have to see all these three properties: definite shape, mass, definite amount of matter, and third one is the volume, that it take up by the definite amount of space. That we have to consider these properties of the matter on which state of matter is depend. First one is a shape, second is a mass, third one is a volume of the what. In case of the solid state, the main properties are shape and volumes. The shape of the molecules are stable in nature and they possesses the definite shape. So the solid have a definite shape. But in case of the solid state, also arrangement is a main criteria, because the solid tend to require a packed arrangement because of their strong intermolecular forces of attraction between the molecules. Now next is the properties in case of the solid state. In solid, the definite shape, that is yes, means the solid are in definite shape. And in case of mass, say definite mass, and volume, that is also a definite volume. So the solid is having definite shape, definite mass, definite volume in case of solid state. For example, you have to see here solids, dumbbell, mobile phones, you have to see here as a table, on all the shoes. All these are the example of the solid state. Okay. Now next, the liquid state. The liquids are less rigid than the solid and they are fluid. They are able to flow and take the form of their containers. You have to see here, in case of the liquid, the motion of particles are closed but can slide past one another. Means the atoms or molecule are moved around each other but remain in contact with each other. This result in having a definite volume. Now speed of the particle, that is a medium in case of the liquids, but in case of the solid that is very slow. But in case of the liquid, you have to see in the diagram, the motion of particles are the medium and they are overlap with each other and move around each other. So these are the properties of the liquids. Now the liquid have definite shape? No, but in case of solid it is definite shape, but in case of liquid there is no definite shape. They are changes their shape according to the containers. Now next is the definite mass. In case of the liquids, the liquid have the definite mass but definite volume also are the properties of the liquid state. So all these are the properties of the liquids in which we can study different criteria for the different substance. One is the shape, mass, volume, and the liquid have not definite shape but definite mass and definite volumes. Now you have to see the example of liquid state and the properties of liquids. In this glass apparatus. The liquid exists in their shape according to the shape of the container, because the liquid molecule moves. They can move and they can take the shape of their container. In case of the just like you have to see here, cat are liquids. They are placed in the glass apparatus. So you have to see here. Okay, so all these are the examples and properties of the liquids. Now next is the example you have to see here: Tide liquid, Coca-Cola's, juice, is water, all having a different shape according to the shape of the containers. Now next is the gaseous state. In gaseous state, you have to see here the molecules of the gas are in motions. They are constantly moved because the kinetic energy in the gas is higher than the potential energy. The gas are fluids, but unlike liquids, they can expand indefinitely, and the kinetic energy of gas is much higher than the potential energy. So the particles are very distinct because of higher kinetic energy. You have to see here in the videos the molecules of the liquids having the higher kinetic energy as compared to liquid and solids. You have to see here the speed of the particles is fast and the motion of particle are constantly and they are expanding, and the speed of particle is fast in case of the gaseous state. So the gases have definite shape, no definite shape, definite mass, yes, the definite gases have definite mass, and definite volume, there is no definite volume. So the property of the gases are no definite shape, definite mass, and no definite volume. All these are the properties of the gases. Now you have to see here the gas will spread out to fill all the space, whatever container is it is in it. In the container you have to see the gas. For example of the gas is, you have to thermal plant, see here is a burner and cooking gas, gas cylinders, and fire extinguisher that is filled by the gases. And you have to see the lots of example in daily life as of gases. Now next is the sum up in introduction of all these three. Solid means the arrangement of the particles. In case of the solid state, the particles are tightly packed. In case of the liquid, the particles are closely packed. You have to see in the diagram in the motions. You have to see also in the motions. But in case of the gas, they have loosely packed. Now here the solid state is a state of matter where the particle only vibrate and cannot move from their position. In case of the solid, the particle only moved or vibrate little bit, but cannot move from their position, but they simultaneously move and little bit vibrate. Okay, but in case of the liquid is a state of matter where the particle move enough and slide past each other, and these particles are slightly past each other. But in case of the gases, it is a state of matter where the particle bounce freely and rapidly. And all these are the arrangement of these three: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state, and their properties and their packing arrangement of the particle in solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Now review of all these three state of matter.